Welcome back. It's time for some more phonics fun. Let's go through our new story. This is our friend Ak. Ak was feeling very bored at home, just like a lot of us. So she decided to take a walk. She met her friend Puh. They decided to get married. And they made the sound App. Can you say that sound? Well done, App. App moved into its own home and invited some friends over. Let's see who visited App. App cap. App nap. App gap. App map. App lap. App tap. Well done. Let's go through these words. App cap. App nap. App gap. App map. App lap. App tap. So now it's time for you to take out a pencil and a page. Write down these words. Now let's try some easy sentences with these new words. I'm sure you're going to have a lot of fun. Enjoy writing sentences and remember to ask your parents for help. Have fun doing this.